Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. Today, this will be a multi-part video. I saw a clock made out of these, so I decided to buy a 4-pack. Now these are just the cheapy ones. They're not very expensive. I think it was like $10 for the set of 4. I can't remember now. But first, before I started showing you what I'm going to do with them, I got a package. I didn't cover up the address label, so all I can show you is the back. But I'm going to open it. I have no idea what's in here. This is from a friend of mine, Scarlett, who has a channel called Display a Color. I will link her channel below this video. And oh, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to open this. Let me get a pair of scissors. Well, hello, Miss Scarlett. Hey. You are just in time. I'll turn off the camera, but I am videotaping right now. I'm starting a video. And don't worry. I was getting up to grab a pair of scissors.
Oh my gosh, I'm wrong.
So people on the video are going to hear you now.
Oh.
I mean, they won't see you, but they'll hear you. But I will stop. I will stop the video after I do this, and then I'll go back to what I was going to show them. But I told you I was going to open this on my next video. Okay.
Yeah, I just got done watching that one. You sent me some of those today.
I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to make sure I don't cut into what's under there. Oh, you signed it. Good.
Yeah, for what?
Well, you could have put your seal. You could have put your seal on there too. I would have loved that. So now everybody on the video is going to hear how Scarlett likes, or Scarlett hear me when I open it. Okay. This is supposed to come off, this black stuff. Okay.
Yeah, it's just around it to keep it from getting dented or hit.
Ah, okay.
It's just like a cushion protector.
Well, you know what?
Matic?
Did you see how I had your how I had the Joplin piece?
Yes.
All you gotta do is put next to the resin, the paper, the parchment paper. Oh, oh my God! Oh, you did put your seal on it. Okay,
Yeah.
let me show it to the camera.
And I wanted to do another flood coat, but I wanted to get it out to you, so I did. Because normally I would flood coat over the wax seal.
Oh my
I
God.
figured.
Okay, let me go over here and stop the camera real quick, and I will be right back to show everybody in the video what I was going to show them.